Now let us study about overtone bands. Coming to the definition, when the photon of infrared light is observed, then the molecule will make a transition from ground state to the second excited state or higher excited state through the fundamental vibrations is called as overtone bands. See here, we know that in fundamental vibrations, molecule will make transitions from ground state to the first excited state, that is V0 to V1. This is called as fundamental vibrations. Fundamental vibrations. In the overtone bands, what happens means, when the photon of infrared light is observed by a molecule which is under study, then the molecule will make a transition from ground state to the second excited state. In the fundamental vibration, the molecule was making a transition from ground state to the first excited state. But in the overtone bands, so what happens means, when the photon of infrared light is observed, the molecule will make a transition from ground state, that is from V0 to V2, V3, V4 through the fundamental vibrations, that is V0 to V2. This is the V0 to V2. This is the first overtone. You can see it is making the transition through the fundamental vibration. That means it is passing through the fundamental vibrations. And V0 to V3, it is second overtone. And from V0 to V4, it is third overtone, and so on. So these are the different vibrational energy levels. Here the transition occurs from ground state to the higher energy excited states through the fundamental vibrations. And the important point here is that first overtone band will appear twice the wave number of the fundamental band. See here, for example, if this first fundamental band is having the wave number 800, then the overtone will have, that is first overtone will have twice the wave number of this fundamental band, that is 2 into 800 meter inwards. That is 2 nu, twice the frequency of the fundamental band in the first overtone, and 3 nu in the second overtone. Second overtone will have thrice the wave number of fundamental bands. If there are two fundamental bands at X and Y, consider X and Y are two fundamental bands, then the overtone is 2X and 2Y. That is, the first overtone is 2X and 2Y. This is about the overtones. They always pass through fundamental band.